Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to enable Gmail notifications on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the boss button to support this channel. And without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, to enable the notification, you have to do two ways guys to manage it. The first one, you just have to open the Gmail if you want to set it by a Gmail application. And now going to this three lines icon at the top left. And after, you just have to scroll down. At the bottom, we'll see the settings options. Go ahead, and now in the settings page, you will see your account here. You just have to pick one. For example, I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna activate or enable it for notification in this Gmail account, guys. Now you just have to scroll it down until you find here the manage notifications. Just go ahead, and now as you can see, for all notifications on my Gmail application is off here guys, it's turned off. So if you want to enable it for the notification, you just have to tap on the toggle beside it until it's turned green. And now for the notifications on my Gmail is already enabled. And the second way to activate or enable it, the notification, you just have to open your settings on your phone. Here I'm gonna open my settings, and now we're going to the apps option. You just have to scroll it down until we find here the apps, and after going to the app management. And after in this page, you just have to scroll it down and find out the Gmail options like this. Now go ahead to this manage notification also, and then you just have to activate the toggle beside allow notification as before. So yeah, I think it's enough guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.